Rachel Meters have 2.3 million followers on TikTok, and they get 60.6 million likes on their videos. They only promote Amazon product and getting million views on their video. Mick Zenon have also 3.4 million followers, and they also get 142.4 million likes on their video. And they also get million likes on their videos. Basically, they give their review of the Amazon product on their video. If people buy product from their link, they will get commission. They put all product photo on this link. When you open their link, you will go directly in Amazon. Here, you can see this is the affiliate page of Mick Zenon. If I open product from their link and buy any things from their store, they will get commission. In today's video, I will show you how to earn money from TikTok and YouTube, doing Amazon affiliate marketing without making any videos. My friend also do same like this, and he earned daily $22-30 from Amazon affiliate marketing. Some personal reason I can't show you my friend Amazon affiliate account. But don't worry, I will also try this for 30 days and I will show my results after 30 days. I will show you all things step by step. Don't skip any part of the video and watch until the end. First of all, go to the Amazon Associates affiliate marketing program. I will also leave the link in descriptions box. If you wanted to promote products on the UK Amazon or the Canada Amazon or any of the other Amazon platforms, you can change from here, but I am going to sign up for United States Amazon. It was biggest platform of affiliate marketing. Now click here and sign up. Then click here and create your Amazon account. Write your name, email and password here and log into the Amazon. Now, we need to give Amazon for type of information here. So first information is very easy, just enter your name and your address and enter your phone number. Once you done everything's here, click on next. Then we have to give our website's link in Amazon. For example, I will give my YouTube channel link. You can also add any social media accounts if they have a little bit of a followers and have some content. Once you done here, click on next. Now we have to give one store name. For example, I will write Salmon Store for 56. Write here what type of content you create in your own websites. I already give my YouTube channel link, that's why I write here. I create video about how to make money online. Amazon ask here, which of the following best describes your content? Then I am gonna click here on search. And they also ask, how did you hear about us? I will select here online search. Now we need to write this CAPTCHA in this box. Then click here and I agree the terms and conditions of the Amazon. When you done everything here, click on finish. This is your Amazon affiliate dashboard. They will show your earnings here. When you open the account setting, don't forget to add your bank account here. When you earn commission from Amazon affiliate marketing, they will send your money direct in bank account. Now, I will show you how to get link of Amazon product. For that, click on see all here. Then you come to here Amazon homepage. Choose the product that you want to promote. For example, I will choose this. You can see here there is an Amazon Associate site Stripe banner. We can get product link from here. You can choose here what type of link you want. They will give us text link, image link and text plus image link also. If someone click your link and buy products, you will get commission. Now, we have our Amazon affiliate account, but we don't have any videos. For that, we are going to use TikTok. When you come to the TikTok, search here Amazon viral products. Choose the products which you like the most. For example, I will choose this one and copy the link of the video. Now we will use this video for affiliate marketing, but there is one problem, it will come up with the watermark. Don't worry, I have also solution for that. Go to the Google and search for SnapTik. Paste the TikTok link video here. It was free websites. Who removes TikTok logo from the video? Now we have to upload this video on YouTube and TikTok. First, we are going to YouTube. This is my new YouTube account. I only upload Amazon products video here. If you don't know how to make YouTube channel, go my previous video and watch it now. It only takes 10 minutes to make YouTube channel using ChatGPT and free AI tools. I will also leave the video link in description box. Now click here and upload video. Upload the video from your files. Write a titles for the video. For example, I will write Amazon viral products you must needs. And don't forget to add tags. Then write a short and sweet descriptions like me. If you don't know how to write descriptions, you can ask ChatGPT. Don't forget to write tags like me. If you do like that, there's 90% chance to viral your video on YouTube Shorts. Once you done everything's here, publish your video on YouTube. Now most important things, we need link of the products. For that, we are going back to the TikTok. Now open the profile of the person who is promoting the product and open the link of the bio. Finally, I found this product on Amazon. Now, generate the text link and copy it. Then back to the YouTube and write Amazon viral products and paste your affiliate link. Now, we are gonna do same on TikTok. You can see here, I already upload some videos. Upload the video from files on TikTok. Write a captions here. For example, I will write Amazon viral products. And don't forget to add tags. Your video will come first if someone search. Once you done everything's here, upload your video. And add the affiliate link on comment box. I can't show you everything here, but you have to also upload this video on Facebook and Instagram. I will also try this for 30 days. If I earn money from Amazon affiliate program, I will upload the video. If I don't earn any money from Amazon, I wouldn't upload the video. I know that it maybe take 2 to 3 months to earn money from Amazon because we need followers on TikTok and subscriber on YouTube. If you have already some followers on social media, it was easy to promote Amazon product. Remember that make money online requires time, effort, and dedication to see results. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.